Hi, I'm Sean with Autel. Recently, we added advanced functionality to the IM508, IM508 and TS608. Today, let's walk through the process to get the update installed. First, you need to install some additional memory as we're adding more functions than these tools have ever had. We recommend a maximum of 32 gigabytes for optimal performance. Make sure it is a micro SDHC with UHS 1. After installing, you need to go to Data Manager, then Vehicle Management. Now, one by one, select these brands and move them onto the new storage you have created with your SD card. After this is complete, return to the main MaxiSys screen, then choose Update. Now, install the update for the main brands that you service in your shop, as this update will include the new functionality we've talked about. If you encounter any issues, you can always call us at 1-855-AUTEL-US for one-on-one help with our US technical support team. As always, for more information on our full family of products, be sure to visit us at autel.com.